everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day. I just received this from my mailman. It is a new subscription here for this channel. It is a Bolzano Handbags and Accessories subscription. It does cost $33.95 a month. You do get a purse, as hence the name, handbag subscription, and you'll get 2 to 3 accessories as well. You can do an add-on. They're calling it a purse companion monthly. Sorry, I have my notes over here. That's why I'm looking over here. They have a purse companions monthly subscription, which adds 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items with your bag. And like I said, it is a monthly subscription. You don't have to pay for shipping, but I do believe I paid, what did I pay? I don't know. I paid $43.95. I believe I paid for some tax. I didn't pay for shipping because shipping is free in the U.S. They do ship to other countries, but I'll link the website down below so you can go ahead and check it out and see what the shipping is for where you live. But for the U.S., it's free. It does come via USPS, and it comes in this white bag like this. And it always comes in a white duster like this. Let me turn around. In a white duster that will have Bolzano on the front. So let's get into her. This is my first month with them, so I'm assuming this additional information is just some stuff for me to look at. But I really like this Bolzano tag right here. Use this as a hair tie. So this here just says the purse companion, which is what I just told you about. You receive 2 to 3 cosmetic or skincare items. On here it says silicone socks. That would be kind of interesting. And they do have a special offer where it's talking about a free leather wallet with a 3-month, what does that say? Oh, 3 months prepayment. So there's that gift idea. I'll put that all down at the bottom. And basically Bolzano is an Italian manufacturing company, and this is just all about her, so I'll read about this later. And basically you just get it's for sophisticated styles, and the material will vary: leather, nylon, and vegan leather, and it's in various colors and hardware. And basically for this, you choose how often you want to receive it. It will be worth over $250. You do fill out a quiz or a questionnaire, whichever you want to call it, about what your style is or the things that you like, what colors you like. Do you like rose gold for things like that? And here's what she looks like. This is actually really pretty. Nice leather feel. Let's take this off. I can't get it off. It has a nice little clasp here in the front. It's got some to keep it protected. So let's open her up. So inside I've got the actual strap for putting it around my shoulder, and the rest of my goodies are inside here. So let's pull all that out. Okay, come on. I know you don't want to come out. Come on. There we go. There's one. And this is the accessories. And this is the packaging material. And then these are the jelly. Never mind. So here's what we got. It looks like this. I've shown you this already. And it opens up like this. And it has a really nice deep pocket on the inside. Has a nice little pocket here. I could probably put my cell phone or something else. There's 2 of them. You can't see it. There's 2 of them right here. There's a little zipper compartment back here in the back. It smells like leather too. Oh, that's a very small. Oh, there we go. It's a deep pocket in the back. Okay. That's a really nice bag. It's really deep. Well, not very deep, but it's very wide. I think I can get a lot of my stuff in here. It's a nice beigey kind of orangey shade, and it's got the little bee logo right here. So I'm gonna set that down. We're done with the bag. I don't know where to put her. Sit. Here's a strap. So here's my accessory pouch. So 2 to 3 accessories. So I've got a little pop socket that says Bolzano. There we go, Bolzano on it. And then here's the other 2 items. Oops, they're stuck. There you go. It's silver. I told them that I liked silver for accessories. So here we go. It's a really nice, actually, let's take this off the tape because it doesn't look like that. Here we go. Come on. Oh, why? Okay, I don't edit my videos, as you know, and I'm having a really hard time getting the tape off the back so you can actually see this necklace, because I really think it's really pretty. Maybe I'll put it on. It doesn't go with my earrings though, but that's all right. Let's set that there. Here you go. Here's the necklace. It looks like this. It's a little tangled. There we go. It looks like that. And then it comes with earrings to match. Come on. There we go. I almost got it out. There we go. The earrings to match aren't my cup of tea, but I really like this. I could get a lot of use out of this. It's a really nice silver necklace. Let's see. Oh, it does have a little bit of room right here for it to open up a little bit. So I could either wear it like this, or is it long enough that I could loop it? Probably not. I'll leave that on like that. Let's fix it so it's even. There we go. So that's pretty nice. I like that. And here's the 2 earrings that go with the necklace. And this is the purse companion items right here. So let's get into her. I'm gonna link Anne and Abby's channel down below, so you can go and check out their unbagging of their bags from last month, from March, because I don't know if this is my bag for March or if this is April's bag. Okay, they do tape this up really good. So there we go. Let's open her up. Let's see, what did I get in here? Ooh. Okay, so here's what it looks like after I got the other little plastic off. It looks like I got some glasses. Sunglasses, hopefully. That'll be really nice. This is a nice case. Let's open her up. Oh no, it's a brush set. I was totally opposite. Like, I need more brushes, right? And it looks like that. It's a nice 5-piece. Is it 5-piece? 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, 5-piece brush set. That'll come in handy for traveling and things like that, even though I've got a nice set of travel brushes, but this will come in nice and handy. And I thought it was sunglasses because of how slim and sleek it is. That's nice. And then I've got 2 more items. This is a Beauty Blender Travel Diva Beauty Traveling at the Speed. Oh, it's a 2-piece set, an eye and face. I need beauty blenders. Let's open this up and see what we got in here. Come on. There we go. Well, we know what's in here. We know what beauty blenders look like, but I just want to see. Oh, look at the little baby one. See, there's the eye one. And then here's the one for your, oh, it's a little smushed. See, got a little smush there. But I can fix that. Just scrunch it a little bit. So here's my two little beauty blenders, one for the face, one for the eyes. Look at, isn't that so cute? Anyway, I'm easily distracted. It's really cute. I like this one. It's perfect size for getting under your eyeballs. Granted, I just opened up a new blender this morning. I could have used actually this to help with my concealer, but that's all right. I'll have this for next month when I need to replace my beauty blender. And then the last item in here is from Desi. It's a Brilliant Eyeshadows. Can't see it because of plastic. Let's take that off. Okay, come on. It's a nice palette. It looks all like darks. Got some browns. Let me look at it. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. Here it is. You still can't really see. Let's open it up. Okay. I can't open the palette. Am I doing something wrong? Come on, girl. I don't want to break you before I even get to use you. But if you're this difficult to open, I'm not going to be able. There we go. Oops. Alrighty. So here's what it looks like. Sorry, I'm getting a glare from my there we go. I like these blues over here and these browns. The golds over here, not inner. Who remembers these from when you were a kid doing your eye makeup and your shadow and stuff? That's what that reminds me of. So I'm gonna do this blue one. Ooh, they're nice and creamy. And the pink at the top. That's what they look like. Should have pulled my shirt, because I'm gonna run out of room really fast. Here we go. Look like that. See, that's very nice. They're a little patchy here, but you know, for an added $10, I'll do this little red one right here. I put that on top of the other one. But these are some really nice shades. I'm gonna try the little peach shade right here. See, they're very pigmented. Wow, I like that shade. That is really nice. I think I can get some looks out of this. It's just really hard to open. Anyway, that's all I got in this. Like I said, it is a monthly subscription. It is a handbag and accessory subscription where you get 2 to 3 accessories. So let me know what you think of this bag. What you think. Do you like it? Do you like this subscription? Do you want me to keep it on my channel? Please let me know down below. If you want to subscribe as well, I'll link their website down below so you can check out more of their products. So I hope you all are having a great evening or a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.